Hello everyone, this is Shiva and welcome to Bytewise Academy. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the differences between hardware, software, and firmware. You may have heard these terms many times, but what do they really mean? Let's make it simpler to understand. First, we have hardware. The easiest to understand, hardware is a physical part of any electronic device that you can touch and feel. For example, your monitor, keyboard, mouse, RAM, hard disk. These are all hardware. Next, we have software. The programs and applications that run on hardware are the softwares. You cannot touch it, but you can interact with it every day. It is made up of codes and instructions written by programmers that tells the hardware what to do. For example, operating systems like Windows and Linux, applications like WhatsApp and Microsoft Word. You can say if the hardware is the body, then the software is the mind of the computer. Now comes the tricky one, firmware. Firmware is a special kind of software that's embedded directly into the hardware. It acts like a middleman between hardware and regular software. For example, the BIOS in your computer, the operating system on your washing machine and fridge, the program that runs your TV remote, that's all firmware. Unlike regular software, firmware usually isn't meant to change often. But sometimes manufacturers release update like when your phone gets firmware update to fix the bug to improve the battery life. In other words, you can say the hardware is the body of the computer, the software is the mind of the computer, so the firmware is the nervous system of your computer. That's all for this video. Thank you.